would like to transfer some part changes from one project to a different project. Run the SCADV transfer load criteria changes to project command. Use the load manager to select the criteria you wish to transfer the parts by. Select the project you wish to transfer the parts to. Depending on your part selection, you may be prompted to add related parts or spools. You will be shown a brief summary of how many parts will be created, updated, and deleted. You have the option of seeing more details on what is going to be transferred. You can now start the transfer. Log files of various details are created during the transfer. Now all transferred parts and spools have been created in the destination project.